So this hunk of junk here, if your car starts making the dinging noise and you see the oil lights on, the oil lights flickering on, it'll be over here in this area here. Typically, what you could try to do is replace the oil pressure sensors, the switch, and here is the part for that, PS595. And I'll show you where that's located. Now there's two ways that they say you can do it. You can take the manifold thing that's up here on the top of the hood or underneath the hood, take all that out, or you go from the bottom, which you'll have to take the belt off. And once you get underneath here, you'll see it. So right here, where your oil filter is, right above it, there will be a connector. Let me see where I can find it. There it is. It's green. You see that little red tab? Usually it's pushed all the way in. Now I don't know if I didn't tell him that. So you're supposed to push that little red tab in after you get it done. When you pull it out like it is, in order to pull it off, and the little clip there, and what he had to do, he had to take this little compressor thing off here. There's a couple of bolts. There's 3 bolts, and I don't know. I'm not a mechanic, I'm just showing you guys where to find it. Then you wiggle your arm up in there and you gotta get your socket on. There's a socket you can buy for this pressure switch like this. You put the socket on, then you get the wrench onto the socket. And hopefully, when you take it out, you'll see the end of it have oil in the inside of it. What he said, it's had oil inside the cap. And usually that was the indicator that's bad. You see the oil that's on the cap? There's oil inside here. And that generally means that this pressure sensor has gone bad. There's a seal or something. So that's all it is for your ding and ding noise. If you don't see the oil, you might want to take and check your pressure. The pressure gauge connected to it. And if you don't have pressure, then your oil pump or something else in your engine is jacked up. Hope this helped you out. Please don't leave me 10 million comments that it didn't. If it did, just move on. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you next time.